another video. Today we are going to be going to the beach. Woohoo!
Wow, what a beautiful place, guys. Here is the Radka Beach.
Is that a slide over there? Do you see that?
We're at the beach.
Wait, there's the beach. I see it.
At the beach.
There it is.
The beach.
It's there. I saw it.
No, we're at the beach.
Oh, I saw it.
I saw the beach. It's over there.
Yeah, we're almost there. I see it.
I see
Oh, I
it.
see it.
I see it.
We're here.
We're here.
No way, we're here.
Yeah, we're here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. We're here.
Oh, there's rides. Oh my gosh, there's nothing like that as well. Oh my goodness.
Look, there's right. Look at that.
Oh, oh yeah, that's a big trampoline. I want to go on that again. Yeah, we're here, guys. Woohoo!
This is our roadside view, the Radka Beacon. There are so many fun places for children and for adults on both sides of the road. Trampoline as well. Here we're gonna visit and enjoy the playland.
Yes, that guy's a Hello.
Number 2 is your winner.
You. Wait, we didn't put our coins in. Oh, we didn't put our coins in.
Ready, steady, go! Number 5 is your winner. Place your bets.
ये देखें, अभी हैदर और हनान की बारी है, अब ये दोनों कर रहे हैं। और ये देखें, ये हैदर जीत गया एग।
Some people were looking for some precious metals, metal detectors.
Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are on this beautiful beach. We are gonna have fun and then beautiful view as well. We are gonna bring water guns and stuff like that. Buckets, spades. Okay, so let's go down, guys. Oh, what's that?
It's nice and clean sandy beach to enjoy with the families. Thank you so much, our family friends. You made our day the best one. It's time to go back. We spent all the day here. Hope you enjoy our video. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.